Hello folks! Today we are going to make jam at home using fresh fruits and without using any artificial preservatives. Someone requested me to make this video for them. It is a very simple recipe, it is quicker than the traditional method, and because we will not be using any preservatives, we will be making it in small batches. You can refrigerate this for over a month. So let's get started. I took 4 red apples. I washed them, peeled, removed the seeds and cut them into medium-sized pieces. Get a handful of strawberries. Wash them nicely, remove the top and cut it in half. I also got some fresh cherries. Wash them and remove the seeds. Cherries will give nice red color to the jam. Now take a pressure cooker or an Instapot and put all the fruits in it. Add a little bit of water and cook it in medium flame to get 1 or 2 whistles. This step will reduce the cooking time of the jam tremendously as compared to the traditional method where you have to cook all the fruits on a pan and stir continuously for more than 30 minutes. As you can see, the fruit is all cooked. Now take a blender and make a puree. You can also use a masher. Transfer the puree in a pan using a strainer. It removes all the strawberry seeds. Add 3 teaspoons lemon juice and 4 to 5 teaspoons sugar. Mix well and cook it in medium flame with occasional stirring. All we need to do is just get rid of the water. As you can see, the color is getting darker and the puree is getting thicker. Let's cook some more. We have to take it to a consistency where it does not drip from the plate. I have filled my glass jars with hot water so that it remains hot while I'm pouring the hot jam, as I don't want the jars to break. I'll remove the water before I fill up. We have to store it hot as it will get thicker as it cools down. I will be filling up 3 small jars so that I can refrigerate all of them and open one at a time. These can be kept in the refrigerator for over a month. So now, after keeping it in the fridge for over 24 hours, you see it has taken some texture, and this is the consistency that I like. Wow, that's so delicious! And knowing that it's made of fresh ingredients without any artificial preservatives makes me feel even better. Enjoy! If you like this video, please click the like button and the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Also, don't forget to check out my channel, which has other great recipe videos and more.